다들인데 다 다들인데 미세기 결루기 유란 봉지 산하저도 구이제 산하저도 남배춘 시비나 아니 봐봐 몽게 기피 봐봐 몽게 기피 랑게 마지 냐와네 갸벨로유 디다 제수 준비해 토네 유란 봉지로 다들이 두주 스키게리아레 제산 디제게 두주 디단답 듄체 아주기 다른데 미세 시럽이 버려도 치마 시럽 닝뷰기 돌아야지 채바다 년바 들으시 요아래 진짜 뒤준세 된당 아주기지 개개다 시 수수기 한다는지 파마다 단도는 제도 심제 담제로 이제 되는 대회 람라 지 대화는 대회 람라야 교대회 네我们是原因我都忙是因此
Today is a special day. So today is a special day in Chinese because there is a bodhisattva who rescued his mother from the hell realm. So this is a very special opportunity for us to practice today in order to gather merit because of what a special day it is today.
Amitabha. 다들인 대시아디 에너지 전다도 망부 쉬우시도 다 상원시에 또 유명 가시 더 망부 쉬우시요 그지 시럽님부 체가 화즈지什么왜 체가 화즈지 드린 시에고 드린 건가데
This afternoon, we have to cover quite a lot of content. I don't know if I'm able to complete it. So half of the content in the verse is what we're going to cover today.
다 다나샤베지 디 동니 시고르 말베 동니 시고르 디 콜이야 아니 심잠벤 두주 우마벤 두주 안 가라디 아니 현동 소라다 디시니 부마와스네 다도다 현동 버슨 두주 간제인 버틴 디시 갸르 쳬베 다 이네야 다나 만세지 우메기 우마비케지 셰당 마우 셰자 아다 디가 다도지 심잠 셰 안 디가나 디시니 부도 셰나 디디스 고추드라키 닝가로 디스면로 사버도 쳬도 In
the morning, we've talked about emptiness, and so now I'm going to add some content here. So we talked about it. I'm sorry, I cannot hear. Sorry. So in the morning, we've just only explained the Madhyamaka point of view. So if I continue talking about mind only and all that, then the more you listen, the more confused you get.
Okay. 드네 인주산에 다 더더 시 더기 더체 저지를 붙여야 돼. 다이네 시고도 떡이 되지.
However, I did prepare the content, so we'll see whether or not I'll talk about it later on.
所以呢，在早上的这个课程当中呢，
So in our class in the morning, because of the limited time, we haven't finished talking about the content. So the content, I wasn't able to complete all the content I wanted to cover.
接下来呢是
So now,
我们再探讨一下早上讲的一些内容。
let's examine some of the things that we've discussed in the morning.
如是就是经文是如是受想行识，亦复如。
So it says, in the same way, sensation, perception, formation, and consciousness are empty.
我们说过的这个无蕴，可能还有很多人可能不太了解。
So we've talked a lot this morning. Perhaps many of us still don't quite understand it. Why? Perhaps because when Avalokiteshvara was explaining emptiness, he started with the 5 skandhas, the 5 aggregates. So the 5 aggregates are
怎么会这样？有时候有，有时候没有，是不是没有 battery？
something is wrong with the microphone. Maybe there's no battery.
哦 ，OK。五蕴指的是
The 5 aggregates refers to the form, the feelings, the thinking, and the consciousness. In modern language,
是五蕴
the 5 aggregates
被归
can be divided,
归类在
can be
两个
categorized under
分类的
2 different
两个
categories.
分类里面色
Form
就是物质，
is material.
后面的四蕴呢
The last
四蕴
4
呢则
aggregates
指的是心理，
refer to
所以五蕴
psychological
也就是物
things.
质和
So
心理两种
the 5 skandhas refer to material things and things that are within the mind.
早上的
In the morning,
课程里面，我们
in our class this
已经
morning,
谈到过所有
we have
有为
already
法
discussed
也
that
就是有生有灭的事物，
all types of
都是无蕴的范围。
all things fall under the 5 skandhas.
但是呢，我们在这个日常生活中呢，
But in our daily lives,
最常关注的还是
the
我
one
们
thing that we most focus on is still our own material
心理，
things and what's in our mind, and that is our body
所以
and our
呢，
mind,
这边的五蕴
how our body and mind is like. So the 5 aggregates
自
here
己的身体
is
跟
actually
心理来
focused on our body and our mind. This is how we should explain it.
修行空性的目的
The
是什么呢
purpose, what is the purpose of practicing
是为了
emptiness?
消除我们的无明。
It is to remove our
简单来
ignorance,
说的话，就是
to put it simply,
解决我们的误会。
to clarify our misunderstanding.
然而，我们的误会呢，是在建立着自己的身体和心理
Our
上。
misunderstanding is based on our body and
所
our
以呢
mind.
观音菩萨
Therefore,
观自在菩萨告诉
Avalokiteshvara told
告诉
Shariputra
我们，
that as he also told
修
us,
行者
for practitioners, they need to
从观察自己
start
的
by
身
analyzing their
心理
body and their
是
mind
空的。
and to see that they are both empty. That's how we should start.
换句话来说的
In
话，
other words,
告诉我们这个修行
it is telling us that practice is not something that we look for externally, but we should turn our mind towards the internal.
是要看向内。
So we shouldn't always be looking out, but we should look in and analyze and observe.
我们早上也谈到过
In the morning, we've
这个
also
问的是
discussed
应如何修学
when Shariputra asked how to train,
就是问了5个问题，
he asked 5
包
questions.
含了5个问题。
It embeds 5 questions
也就
within
是
it. That is,
问五道的菩萨啊，各自该
Bodhisattvas on the
怎么
five
修
paths,
行。
how each
而这
should
个观自在菩萨的
practice
这
and
整
train.
篇的回答，
So
也就是各
Avalokiteshvara's
自
reply
回答到这五个问题。
answers all of the five questions.
早上所说的这11个
So in the morning,
回答，
we've talked about the 11 replies,
他能够就各自的回答到
and he replied each individual
上面的
question.
五个问题。比如说，
For example,
善男子、善女人，
a son or
欲修
daughter
行甚深般
of
若
a
波罗蜜
noble
多者
family
以
who wants to
应如
practice
是观
profound transcendent wisdom should view it in this way. In this verse,
表示了
it
初学
expresses
菩萨的状态啊，也就是
how beginning
滋养到
bodhisattvas
这个加持到
bodhisattvas should work, and that is those on the path of accumulation and those on the path of
从这
of
个
joining.
五蕴体性皆空啊，到这个无
And
智
from they should
无
view
得
the five skandhas correctly,
亦无
all
无
the
得
way to
这段的这个经文
all the way to the next couple of lines. These verses emphasize that
会看到一切法的
those on the path of seeing will be able to see that all Dharma is empty. There is not a single Dharma that they cannot recognize and realize. So this is the path of seeing.
再来是从五蕴体性皆空啊
So
到这
next,
个
from the five skandhas as naturally empty,
这少了一个，
there's one word missing.
是这样吗？
Is it like that? Okay.
无智无得，亦无不得啊！这段的经文啊，对，我有点，中午没睡觉，是这样，不会的，老花眼，好吧，从这个是故舍利子，一无所得故。到这个就近涅槃之间呢，就是指这个修道的菩萨啊。
So over here, all the way to the line that says utterly transcending error, they reach the perfection of nirvana. It's saying that the bodhisattvas, through this path, gradually remove their intellectual obscurations,
渐渐的
gradually
啊，步向涅槃。
walk towards nirvana.
最后是
Lastly,
三世一切诸佛
all the Buddhas that abide in the three times achieve the unsurpassable, authentic, perfect awakening of manifest, perfect Buddhahood.
在解释
This
无学道
line talks about the no more learning path.
这里面的这个现在回到这个经文里
Now
面，
let's go back to the
是
sutra.
说是故舍利子，一切法空性，无相。
Shariputra, in that way, all dharmas are emptiness. They are without characteristics, unborn, unceasing, without stains, without freedom from stains, without decrease, and without increase.
这个句子
This
是
line-
这个彰显空性的样子，也就是这
This
个
line is
空性表
is
面的样子。
showing how emptiness manifests itself,
所以呢，
how
我们在早
emptiness
上已
shows
经谈到这个
itself on the
空
surface.
性四门呢
So in this morning, we talked about the four folds of emptiness.
观自在菩萨
As Avalokiteshvara, firstly,
概要概要性地向这个舍利子
explains
解释啊，修行的过程当中，
in a broad
要
way
以这个五蕴
to
皆
Shariputra about how we can make use of the five aggregates, seeing their true nature, to lead us to see emptiness. So that's why
四门。
it starts by talking about the four folds of
这
emptiness
样的解
of
释
the
呢
five
是对这个空
aggregates.
性的一种整体性的一种介绍。
So it introduces to us in a more complete and overall way.
会出现一个问题啊
But now we're faced with
这
one
样的
problem.
空性
Such an emptiness.
要怎么认识呢？
How do we recognize it?
认识呢？是怎么去了解？
How do we understand this type of
或
emptiness?
者是说我们如何能够
Or how
在五
are we
蕴之
able
上
to, through the five aggregates, recognize this kind of emptiness,
要如何修
and
习
how do we practice
培养出这样的
and
一种般若
cultivate
般若智慧呢？
this kind of prajna wisdom?
我们要知道，
What we need to
佛陀
know
为什么
is
宣说
why
这个空性？
the Buddha first talked
佛陀
about
宣说空性
emptiness.
的主要原因
His
是
main
为了
reason
消
is
除我们的执着。
to remove our
所
clinging.
以我们得先知道，
Therefore, we must first
我们
know
到底是如何执着
how
事物的
do we
事
cling
物
to
如
things.
何执着事物
How do we cling to things?
先了解，
So we need to first understand how we cling to things.
这样才能
Then-
一一对症下药啊。
Then
对
we
症下
can-
药，然后就消除我
We
们的
can
执着。
solve the problem.
一旦呢执着消除，
And then once we're able to remove our clinging, then we'll be able to see emptiness.
早上谈到
In the
了
morning,
所谓的见到，
we've talked about the path of seeing, which is seeing emptiness.
这边呢就可能会产生一种误
Over
解，
here, there may be some
就是
misunderstanding.
看到空性
That is, seeing
好像
emptiness
看到
is like seeing
可能会看到一个
Perhaps
实有的东西，
seeing something that is solid
比
and
如说
real.
就看到
Perhaps,
一个
for
就是看
example,
到一
seeing
个
something
怎么说啊？应该是看到一个上师，或者看到一尊佛像一样。
seeing something
这种
seeing
看
a
到
corpse like seeing a Buddha statue.
反正就有这种，所以呢，就其实呢，所谓的这个见到空
So
性，
to see emptiness, it is
指的就是
it
当
refers
我
to
们不再被
when
任何
we are not
概念任何概念所束缚啊，
when we are not entrapped in any
不
concepts,
再看到任
and
何
we no longer see
显象，
anything that is
这就是所谓的见到
wrong,
空性。
anything that is wrongly manifested in our minds.
你也可能不会看到什么实体的、实在的一个东西，
That is, you are likely not to see something that's truly
你不会看到一
existing.
个实字，
You'll not be
实在
able
的
to see
或者
something that's truly existing,
一个硬邦邦的一个东
something
西，
very hard.
应该会
It should
只
be
是
just
不再
you no
你不再
longer,
被任何这种
you are
概
no
念所
longer entrapped
束缚啊，不再看到
by
任何
concepts. You will no
错误
longer
的
see
显象，
any
这就是
wrong
所谓的见到
manifestations,
空性。
and that is seeing emptiness.
所以呢，般若经里面
So
非常
in
明
the
确地
sutra,
谈到
it has clearly stated
说：须菩提，若不见色受想行识，即不见世间。若如是不见世间，是名真见世间。云何真见世间也？所谓世间空故。所以呢，这就是说，所谓的不见，就
So in the
是
sutra,
见，对吧？
it says that what it says in the sutra is that not seeing is the best type of seeing. So in the morning we talked about
一再
emptiness,
的这个强调空
and
性，
we
不
have
是说
repeated
完全
and
没有
emphasized over and over again that emptiness does not mean
而是
completely
指的
without.
指它不
What it
是
refers
以
to
我们
is
所认为的
is that it
这
isn't
种
what
样子存在
we think it is.
那是什么意思
What does that mean?
就是说没有我们所认为的那么一
It
种
it doesn't have
那种
what we
存
think
就是样子
exists.
就是不存在。
So what we think that exists doesn't exist. But it doesn't mean that it completely doesn't exist.
那它的意思是什么呢？
So what
它的
this
意思
means
就是
is
我们现在的这个认知和经验啊，
what we know now and from our
基本上都
experience,
是
it is
错误。
it's all basically wrong.
为什么呢？
Why?
因为我们现在
Because now
都受到了强烈
We-
误以为啊，
we strongly
事物是
think
真实存在。
that things exist truly on their own.
这样子的一种执着
This kind
的
of
这个染污，
clinging stain, the kind of stain that is of
只要我
clinging.
们的这个执着是，
Although our clinging is wrong,
所以让我们所看到的一切都是幻想。
so all that we see is
既
but
然我们
a
所看到的
fantasy.
一切，就是既然我们的执着是错误，
Since our
那我们
clinging
所看到
is
的
wrong,
一切
therefore all that we see
幻象。
is a fantasy,
所谓的空
is an illusion.
就是在
So,
告诉我们
what emptiness
这些
is,
幻象
is that it is telling us that these illusions
是
are not real. They are fake. That is why the Buddha calls it empty.
Vacío.
一般来说呢，
Usually,
空这个字啊
the word
很多人
empty, many
会
people
理解为
would
完全
take it
没有
as something as
或者
completely
完全
nothing,
这样
some completely nothing or completely
空的
non-existent.
意思
But in actual
是
fact,
指我们
empty
所
refers
认知的
to
幻想是错误，
to the fact that what we know is an illusion and is wrong, and therefore it does not exist. It doesn't mean that the thing itself doesn't exist.
这一点呢，
So
我觉得
this
是非常
point
非常，
This point is
这一
very,
点呢非常重要。
very important.
所以呢，
Therefore,
就像是迪罗巴祖师
Just like what Tilopa,
举派的这个迪罗巴祖师
Kajupa's Tilopa
曾经对
once
这个
told
他
Naropa,
的弟子那罗
his
巴祖师
disciple,
说啊，应该是那时候是什么样的感觉？跟他说啊，儿啊，
so
这个
what kind of emotion should he be saying it with? So he says, Son,
魂附
things don't have the ability to entrap you.
而是你的这个执
It
着
is
捆
your
缚了
clinging
你自己。
that imprisoned yourself. So he must have said it in this way.
所以呢，
So
他的意思就是说
What he means
事物啊不会
is
伤害
that
到
things in themselves
是我
cannot
们的执
entrap
着
us.
伤害到。
It is our own clinging that serves as an obstacle to us.
这里有一个重点啊，
There is an
就
important
是
point
所谓
here,
的空性。
and that is emptiness.
这里可能就是，好，就所谓的空性啊，
Emptiness
所以并非
is
建
not
立在
built on
无
nothing,
这个上，无的上，
the word no or nothing, or empty.
而是建立在
It is built on
存在
existing.
Se construye
上啊，
en lo que existe.
存在这样的一个基
Existing,
础上
it
啊
existing is the foundation.
所讲的。
Existencia.
换句话来说
In
的话
other words,
就是因为
it is
事
because
物存
things
在，
exist.
所以
That
才
is
说
why
空。
you say it is empty.
然而呢，就因为我们
But
因为
because
我们的执
of
着，
our clinging and misunderstanding,
所以
that is
这个
why
根本不知道
we don't know
事物
the,
实际的样
the
子。
truth or the true nature of things.
如果外在的事物根本不存在，
If all the things that are outside do not
那
exist,
也就没有什么
then
空好讲的，
then we cannot talk about emptiness. If nothing exists,
什么东西可以空的
then
没
nothing can be
没啥
empty.
空的，没有什么空好讲。
We can't talk about
总之呢
emptiness at all then.
是因为
In other words,
有而空，
It is because of existence that there is emptiness. It is not because there is nothing non-existent and then there is emptiness.
Que todo es
在这个月称菩萨的入中
In
论
Chandrakirti's introduction to the Middle Way,
主张啊，
it asserts that normal beings, their knowledge is based on mistake, on misunderstanding.
错误的呢？
Why is our knowledge
或
wrong?
者说
Or
que nuestro conocimiento
要怎么知道
how would we
我们的
know
认知是
that
错
our
误的呢
knowledge is wrong? What we know is wrong.
lo que sabemos.
在这里面说啊，月称
So Chandrakirti says,
Chandrakirti dice que
如果是我们所看到这显现是实际
if what we see as manifesting is in truth what it is, then we will be a holy being. We will not be an ordinary being. We will be holy.
知道
That means we know
是知道这个
we know
实际
the
的状况，
sabemos
the actual nature of things, then we'll no longer be ordinary beings. We will be a holy being. However,
我们不是这样
we're not like that.
这个情况不
The
是
situation is not
我
like
们
that.
所看到的
Because what we see, what manifests is wrong. What we see as manifesting is wrong. We don't see the truth of phenomena.
所以我们的这种认知
Therefore,
是错误
what we know is wrong.
圣者的认
And
知
the holy
才是
beings'
正确
knowledge and what they know is the accurate one.
在人生中呢，我
In
们
our
就是
lives,
往往会遇到
we often
很
meet
多
with many
比如说挫折
setbacks
或者压力
or pressure.
所以呢，在佛教跟
So
这个
in
很多的
Buddhism
现在的心理
and
学
many
者
modern
心理学者
psychologists,
主张啊
they all assert that
人们呢这个心灵上的这个压
that
力，大部分都
people
是来自于
have
对
a lot of
事
stress
物
in
的
their minds,
或者
and most of
对
it comes
事
from
的错误
the
认识
wrong understanding of things. And so this causes lots of
简单来
stress.
说的话呢，就是
To put
看
it
错
simply,
了
they have perceived
有
things
时候
wrongly.
可能是想太
Sometimes
多
it is because they have thought
就是
too
因为我
much.
们带有许
It
多
is
的误
because
解，
we have lots of misunderstandings.
所以我们才会有这么多
And that is why there is so much suffering,
这么多的问题。
so many problems.
Existen tantos sufrimientos y tenemos tantos problemas.
这样我们就能知道，
So
我们
from
的认
this,
知
we will know that
其实就是
what we know
基本上都是主观的。
is basically subjective.
既然是主
And
观
since it is subjective,
那就不符合
that means it doesn't match with reality.
No está de acuerdo.
是错误的。
Therefore, it is wrong.
这就是为什么我们的认知是
And this is why what we know has been stained.
Se ha manchado.
是一个一个已经就是一种可以说是一种垃圾的错误吧，应该是
Stained, or it's like rubbish. It's kind of rubbish knowing, rubbish understanding.
Es como un entendimiento de
接下来呢是说我们再谈谈这个
Now,
执
let's
着
talk
的
about
种类
the different types of
执
clinging.
着的种类。我们之前谈到很多执着。
We've talked about clinging, clinging to this, clinging to that.
到底执着有
But
多就是几种
What are the different types of clinging?
执着？
How many types are there?
所以呢，就修行空性的目的
So,
就是
the
为了
practice of emptiness
能够瓦
is to
解
dissolve
我们
our
根本上的
basic
这个执着，
clinging,
也可以说
and
就是无明
in other words, our
或者
ignorance
是认知，
or
或者是误认。
or our misunderstanding.
这边这个提到这无明啊，
So now we've talked about
我觉得
ignorance.
大家可能要心里
I think all of you should
一
reflect
听到这无明的时候，
when you hear the word ignorance,
是
what
这是另外一个东西。
you may think that ignorance is some other object.
有一个故事，
There is a story.
是我们的这个达波嘎居的这个祖师，
Dapo Gaju's
达波嘎居
master,
的创始人噶摩巴尊
Gambopa,
尊者，他有4大弟子，
he has
4
four
大
great
传承弟子，
lineage disciples.
就是说，
That is to say,
传承
the lineage
接
will be
接传弟子的时
will
候，
be passed down to these disciples. What is it
那
called?
有一个名字，
There is a name for it.
¿Y cuál es su nombre?
传承弟子啊，
Lineage disciples.
Los discípulos del Imam.
那叫什么？
What is it called?
¿Cuál es su nombre?
传播的。好了，没什么，这样看起来是需要一个新华字典。
We might need a dictionary.
好了，别没什么。
Never mind.
所以就是其中一个，它叫做这个帕莫珠巴。
So there is
帕莫珠
Pamodrukpa,
巴
one of his disciples.
¿Es uno de sus discípulos?
他还没有见到这个冈波巴大师之前呢，
So
他就问
before
了很多的
seeing
上师
Gambopa, he had spoken to many great masters and teachers. He has asked them about samsara,
到生死轮回
about life and death and samsara, and all the causes for all of these.
生死
So he asks about life and death
流荡在生死轮回的
and
原因
about
是什么。
why is it that we are still trapped in
然后大师
samsara.
很多大
And
师
most of the
都跟他
masters
说不同的
gave him
就是不同的回答呀
different
可能
answers.
是大部分都是普遍
Most
我
of
们
them,
所知道的就是什么
from what we know,
应该是无名导致
it'll
的
be,
呀
oh, ignorance
或者是
caused
那个的
this or this and
但
that.
是呢，他一直
However,
没有一个很大的一种启发或者一个感触。
none of these answers inspired him or touched him.
到了这个，到了冈波巴大师的尊前呢。
So when he met Gambopa,
他到了这个第一次见到
the
冈波
first
巴
time he saw Gambopa,
听说那时候他在吃糌粑。
at that time,
叫什么？
Gambopa was eating
西藏的
tsampa,
青稞粉是不是？
a Tibetan
青稞粉就是吃糌粑的，
Tibetan kind of tsampa.
应该是这样吧？应该我也不
I'm not so sure,
说是这样说。
but that was what is said, that he was
因为
eating
后面
tsampa.
有一句话
Because
说
at the
因为
back
他拿
there
当
is
时他
a
在
line
吃
that
糌
says
粑
that
所以
he was eating tsampa at that
他
time.
就一个糌粑堆成一个
So the tsampa was
糌
heaped
粑团，然后就给他看，
in a heap,
是吧
and
你
he
的
showed
法
it to him
现在你的证物啊，
that your realization
就不值钱了。
is valueless,
你的证物啊
that your
我的这个
realization
糌粑团比你的现在的证物
is,
还值
or
钱。
that my heap of tsampa is more valuable than your realization. So this is a line that he
但
said.
是前面呢，他都问
But in the
冈波
front,
大师
he asked Gambopa,
我们流荡在轮回的原因是什
what
么
are the causes of our cycling in
然后
samsara?
冈波大师说，
Gambopa said,
你现在的心，这个念头就是
so the thought
流荡在轮回的原因。
is on
哦，
remaining in
当
samsara.
下他有中，
And in that moment,
不用了。
there was an
因
effect
为他以为呢，
He was inspired
之前呢，就我们说什么
because he thought that previously we've been talking about ignorance and clinging and a whole lot of stuff. And we often thought that
接不上。
we just cannot connect with ignorance. We cannot connect with this thought, this mind.
连接不上。
We cannot have ignorance connect with our mind. So ignorance is ignorant, and our mind is our mind.
没有办法有什么感觉。
So there's no way of understanding.
所以呢，哎，先不多说了，一定要。
So I'm not going to say much. There's so much to say. There's 6,000 other
首先呢
words. Firstly,
我们要应该知道啊，
we
执着
must
大
know
概
that
有几种啊。
how many types of clinging there
我们执着事物的
are.
方式
How do we cling to
虽然
things?
很多，
So although the way we cling to things, there are
的
many.
话呢，就可以
But in summary, you can divide it into
在这个执着事物本身，
clinging to the thing
还有
itself,
执着事物的起源，
clinging to the cause of the
执
thing,
着事物
and
的
clinging
结
to
果
the result of the
这几
thing.
种方式的。
These are the three different ways.
我们都是因为对于这
It
个
is
某
all
件事物本
Because
身，
of our clinging to a certain thing,
它的起源，
its
它
cause,
的结
and
果
its result,
升起执着，
that we start to cling.
也因此
And
啊
because
进
of
一步
this,
导致了
it leads to
好坏啊，
good or bad,
生灭
increase,
或或者
origin or
心术
cessation,
等等
far or near,
更多的
etc.
烦恼。
And all of these afflictions
所以呢，这里
arise.
的重点就是
So the main point here is we need to
根本性的
dissolve this fundamental three types of clinging.
说明这些执着都是错误。
So all these
只
clinging
要根
are
本
wrong.
执着瓦解，
As long as
烦
we
恼就会
dissolve
彻
the
底消失。
basic root of the the root of the clinging,
没有希望了。
then all can be dissolved. So now when you hear this, it seems very hopeful. So the Buddha had said that in order to help us get rid of the three types of basic clinging,
所谓的
he taught us
三解脱门。
the three doors of liberation.
三解脱门
The three doors of liberation
无相解脱门、
are
空解脱门、
emptiness,
无愿解脱门。
absence of characteristics, and
第一个
wishlessness.
啊，无
The
相解
first
脱
one,
门
emptiness,
门就是可以啊用来这个消除我们对
can be
这个事物
used to get rid of
起源的
the clinging that we have
第
towards
二个
things
解脱门
and their origin
可以
and the
用来
cause.
消除我
The
们对
second
于
one,
这个事物本身的执着。
absence of characteristics, can be used to dissolve
无愿
um,
解脱
our
门
clinging to the
可以
things
用来消除我
themselves. And the third type, wishlessness, is to dissolve our clinging to the fruit of this thing, the fruition or the result of
这边
this
称
thing.
之为这个无愿
So over here,
解脱门
the
的原因
wishless
是因为它
door
我们
of
对于这个
liberation
未来的事
is
情
because we
往往都有
we have
某种
lots
这
of
个计
hopes
划
and plans for things that are in the
所
future.
以呢，这个佛教的这个
Therefore, in Buddhism,
佛教的这个术语说，
so it is said in Buddhism,
就是
the word wish
这种期
or
盼啊，
is a kind of hope
或者是愿望的意思。
or a kind of aspiration. So when there is a wishlessness, it is to get rid of
这种对于未来结
our
果的
clinging
这种
to a future result.
所以
Therefore,
称之为
it is called
愿
wishlessness,
解脱门
a wishlessness door of liberation.
在这个一切法空性无相
So in the line that says that all Dharma is empty,
无垢离垢无减无增
Without
啊，这段经文当中呢
unborn,
就是在
unceasing, without
解释
stains, without freedom from stains, without decrease and without increase. It is describing the three doors of liberation.
啊，这里
All
所说的
Dharma
这个一切
or all phenomena,
也就是所有的事物啊，它们都是
they are
无
all
色空性无相啊，
empty and without
无生
form.
无灭，无垢
There's,
离垢，
there's no
无减
increase,
无
no
增
decrease, no stain, no stainlessness, no increase, no decrease. And here, empty refers
它是
to
指出我们对它本体的这个执着是
our
错误的，
clinging to the
也就
thing
是
in itself.
空解脱门。
And this is
无
emptiness,
生无
door of liberation.
无生无灭啊，无垢离垢，
So
是在消除我们
unceasing,
对
so
这个
unborn,
事物
unceasing,
起因的执
no stain, no stainlessness. This is to remove our clinging to the cause of things, and this is called the
上的这个课程当中
signless or absence of characteristics door of liberation. So
但是呢，现在
in the
这边呢
morning, we're talking about emptiness and five aggregates, and over here, there's more details.
出啊讲解
Over here, it
空性
points
的
out
原因啊
the
其实是
causes
为
of
了瓦解
emptiness.
我们的
It is to
执着
dissolve our clinging,
而我们的这个执
and our
着可
clinging
以被归类
can be divided
在
into
这三类当中啊
into these
这
three
三类
types.
执着当中啊
these three types of
所以
clinging.
呢，只要瓦解了
Therefore,
这三
as long as you're
种执着
able to dissolve these three types of clinging, you'd be able to see emptiness.
如何去
So
看
now,
到空
how
性
do we see? So this part here tells us how to see emptiness.
Nos indica cómo podemos ver la naturaleza.
再来我们会
Next.
讲到这个甚深八义。
We're going to talk about 8 profound
这边
meanings.
的这个甚深八义
The 8 profound
就
meanings
是这个
are divided into
空性、无
emptiness,
相、
no form, no unborn,
无生、无灭、无
no
垢
cessation,
无垢
no stain, no stainlessness, no increase, no decrease.
这边的这个理垢呢，是以这个是无垢啊，对，这边的理
Over
垢
here,
是无垢相对应的，是不
No stainlessness,
是？也就是这个无垢也无尽的意思。
no stainlessness.
所以在这个八义之中呢，
In these 8 profound meanings,
再
emptiness
指出这个事物的本质，
points out the true nature of
其
things.
实并非我们所认为的那个样子，事情
The nature of
并
things
非我们所认为的那
are
样。
different from what we think they
无
are.
相、无生、无灭、无垢、
So
离
no
垢
form, unborn,
这在说什么呢？
no cessation, no stain, no stainlessness, no increase, no decrease. It shows us that
执着
it shows us our clinging to the causes of
也是
things.
这个也是错误的。
That is
事物
wrong.
行的这个执着也是错误的。
To cling to the cause of
这个
things
无相
is
是
wrong.
结论，而这个无生、无灭、无垢、离垢，则是这个
So
它的这个原因。
no form is the result, and then unborn, unceasing, no stain, no stainlessness. All of these are the
无
causes.
灭的啊，
So unborn
所有的
and
事物
and no cessation.
就是往往对这个
Most of the
所有的
time,
事物产生一个真实的
we think of things as
在生灭啊
something
这样一个
that is
主观
real,
的
something that is born, and something that is
或是
something that
误解
ceases.
所以呢
So
这
we
里边的这种
misunderstand
无
this.
生无灭
So when
就
it's
是要瓦解这
unborn,
样的一个误会
que si no es producido,
it is to
我
dissolve
们
this
在这
misunderstanding.
个
So
进一
unborn,
步
unceasing.
将这一切的事物啊分成
So
这个亲近于烦恼
como también
we also like to classify things into things that are pure and things that cause
我们一般人
that
呢
cause
都在很
afflictions.
强烈的
Most of the time,
啊这个染净的执着，有
We are- we
强烈的染净执着。
we cling to notions of stain and purity. So that is what is good, what is bad, so what is pure, and what is stained. So we have very strong clinging to that. And in order to get rid of this kind of misunderstanding,
或者
it says here without stain,
无尽，
without freedom from stain.
ni inmaculados ni con mancha.
而这个无灭、无减、无增
So
啊
without
是对于这个事物的
decrease and
结果
without increase, it is our clinging towards the result of things.
错误的
Most of the time,
错误 误认
we would
为这个事
mistake
物的结果
the result of things
期待它
and
有更
hope
好的表
that
现，
it will be better
Cada de las cosas,
than what you
pero de manera errónea.
这称为
expect.
增，
Y esperamos
This is increase.
或是对它抱有
Or perhaps
就是
y esto quiere decir
不抱有，或者是
you
对
have
它不抱有
or you
任
don't
何的
have
期待，
any
这就是减嘛。
any expectations or hopes.
强烈的主观，
So this kind of very strong
所以是说无减。
objectiveness is also wrong. So in other words, over here it's without decrease and
来
without
看的话
increase.
呢，这个甚深八义啊，
So this 8 profound
在一一
meanings,
的
what it does is that
破除我们
it
对于事物
get
的
rid
种
of
种执
our clinging
由于我
to
们的这
every
个执着
little
都是
thing.
误会，
Because when we cling to things, it is a matter of misunderstanding, to have mistaken.
es un tipo de malentendido.
所以是空性，应该是说，
Therefore-
所以是不存在的。
Therefore, emptiness, because what we think exists does not
要像
exist.
这个反复呢
Lo que pensamos que es
阐述空性的时候呢，
So, for an ordinary being to get rid of emptiness, we need to start from its opposite,
那样的执着
and that
是
is
错误的
to tell us that that kind of clinging is wrong. And so we start from there to start getting rid of these mistaken understandings. And so these
用这样的一
8
个
profound
一
meanings
种反面的
use a kind of reverse psychology,
一种反面的
tipo de psicología
方式
a
来
kind of reverse
接受
way to explain it.
总之呢，这样的深深八义就是
So the 8 profound
在
meanings
解释
explain
要如何
how
认识
to
空性的
recognize
方式。
emptiness.
podemos reconocer
那这边呢，在附带提到一个问题啊，
Then there's another question.
también hay otra pregunta
这个问题就是
And the
说，
question
在
is-
课程的就已经说了那么多啊，
In our class,
已经
we've talked
都快
A lot. It is already 4:30.
只剩下
We only have half an hour left.
但是我不怕。
But I'm not afraid. I can talk a lot.
但是呢，
However,
有时候以前呢，有时
In
候
the
这个
past,
时间呢，因为那些
time,
主办单位呢
because of the
他们对我
organizers,
很有慈悲，
they are very compassionate towards me.
就是排得很长，
And so they gave a long time, a long session for me.
所以呢，
So,
所以呢，有时候到了中间呢，
Sometimes
不知道要说什么，
in the middle, I don't know what to say.
y de la enseñanza no sé qué.
我就实在没办法的时候就
So
看
when
前面的
I
人的脸，
don't know what to say, then I'll look at the people in front of me and I'll ask them,
就是任何一种讯息啊，就可以
and I'll look at their eyes to see if there's any message that I can get from their eyes. What are they thinking and what should I say?
东看西看，
So I'd look to the left and look to the right.
Que mirar a la derecha y mirar a la izquierda.
所以呢，我们现在课程讲到了就
So in our
超
lesson,
过一半，
we're already more than
大家可
halfway
能会
through.
觉得这个空性听起来
Most of you would think that emptiness seems very profound, very hard to understand. But in
比
actual
较之
fact,
下呢，
if you compare it to So if you compare understanding emptiness to understanding bodhicitta, understanding emptiness is a lot
这
easier.
样说的话就比较有希望啊。
Now you feel some hope.
Ahora se siente un poco de esperanza.
原因有两种，
There are two reasons.
首先呢，
Firstly,
这个空性
emptiness
虽然是听起来，
Although it sounds really difficult, really
但
profound,
是它的道理是一致
but
的。
its logic
只不
is
过
the same.
是我们来说这个比较难以了解而已。
So to us, it might be
因为
hard
我
to
们现在想
understand
的跟空性的这个状态都好像有点不一样。
because what we are thinking of now and what emptiness is quite different. So what we need to do is change our mindset
跟这样的一个想法。
and the way we think.
所以呢，经论当中呢是用
So
很
in the
多不
sutra,
同的方式
it uses
来
many
解释
different ways
分析
to explain and
帮助我们
analyze
了解
to help us
什么是空
understand
性。
what emptiness is.
但是呢，
However,
我们一旦
Once-
对这个空性道理有了一个认识之
once
后
we
呢，
have some
就会
recognition
非
of
常的稳
emptiness,
定
some
因
understanding
为
of
空
emptiness,
性
then it will be
本
very
来就是一
stable
个永恒
because
不变的
emptiness
真理。
itself is something that never changes. It is a truth.
Es la verdad.
相对于这个认识空性啊，菩提心
Bodhicitta, in comparison to emptiness, is a
因为呢
lot
菩
harder.
提心
It
呢
is because
这最
emptiness
是一切的众生。
is for all sentient beings.
我们知道我们所要关注的这个每一个
And to
众
take note
生
of every sentient being,
都有各自的特色啊，
every one of them has its
差异
own special qualities
这
and
个自身之间呢
differences.
也有着这个复杂的因缘
And
关
there
系。
are also complicated
有
kinds
些
of
人对我
causes
好，有
and
些人不对我
and
好
conditions
对
with us.
这个你们比较了解。
This, like for some people, they're nice to me, and some people they're not nice to me.
大家可能
Then lay people should understand this better. But actually, even ordained people understand this quite a
有
bit.
一个在这个律典里
In one of the
面说
commentaries, it was said
出家
that
出了家，这个家有两个家，一个
that
是
to be an
出家
ordained monk, it is to leave the home, and there are two homes. There's a big home and a small home.
出了那个你
So
小小的那个出
ordained in
家
Chinese is 出家, which is to leave the home.
小
So
出家。
so when you leave your home, it is a small
如
home.
果是处理这个整个这个世间的
If,
贪食
however,
啊
you
或者这个
renounce all of the
名闻
worldly
利养
things,
的这种
you renounce all of
厌烦这样的
the fame and fortune and everything in this
厌
world,
烦的心的话，是
and you
厌
renounce
烦
all of these, you don't like these things anymore, then that is the
出了
big.
大家，
You are actually leaving the big home.
所以现在
So-
呢就出家也不能算是
So nowadays, for lots of ordained people, it isn't really quite so.
是到哪里？
Where are we now?
哦，
Oh,
所以呢，
therefore,
Así que
这个自身跟这个众生之间呢，就有
ourselves
非常多的
and with
变
other
数
sentient
啊
beings, there are many, many
因
differences,
此呢，存在着很多非常多的变数，因此呢，
many
要
different
对众生
possible
升
changes.
起平
And so
等
to
的
be
慈
able
悲
to
其实是
feel
非
a kind
常
of equal compassion towards all sentient beings, it is something very difficult.
我们往往认为啊，
Most of the time, we think
有一丝想要帮助他人
we
的
have
善念，
a small
就是。
desire or wanting to help others is bodhicitta, and we often call those kind people,
或者是想要帮助他人的人物
or those who want to help others, bodhisattva or great bodhisattva.
但是呢，其实
Actually,
这也是错误。
this is
菩
wrong.
提心并没有那么好
Bodhicitta
修，
is not that easy to achieve.
这是第一个这个关键的原因。
This is
第二个
the
关
first
键的原因
reason,
是什
the
么呢？
first important
是因为
reason.
这个
The second
了解
important
空
reason
性
is that
智上的修行。
to understand emptiness is to understand it through logic.
菩提心则是
But for
情感上
bodhicitta,
的
it is through the emotions. It is a kind of emotional
所以呢
practice.
理智上
So,
的分析
to analyze through
往往
logic,
能够这个很果断，
one can do it in a more straightforward, confident manner. But when it comes to, because when it is right, it is right. When it's wrong, it's wrong. It seems quite easy. But when it comes to emotions,
关心是受到太多事情的影响。
then there are many things that will influence, that will change our feelings. And it's very hard to maintain it. And it's very hard for you to say what is right, what is wrong when it comes to emotions. So it is very complicated.
所以呢，
Therefore,
一直觉得
we often think that bodhicitta is easier,
赶快去受菩萨戒，
that bodhicitta is very easy, and that we'll go and receive our bodhisattva vows, and that to understand emptiness is very hard. And so we've got to wait for the guru to give me blessings.
但是其实呢，真的不是这样。
But the fact
所以呢
is not like
要
that.
发起真正的菩提
In
心
order
呢
to rouse true
需要很多的
bodhicitta
训练
requires a lot of practice.
所谓的这个累积很多的资
You've
料
got to accumulate a lot of merit.
要了解空性也需要资
But of
料
course, to understand emptiness, you also require merit.
发起菩提
But
心
to rouse bodhicitta,
这个资粮的
it-
量啊，
the amount of
比这个
merit
了
it
解空性
requires
的资粮量还
is a lot, is 10 times or 100 times more than that required for understanding
所以呢，
emptiness.
要为了能够升起菩提心呢，
So to rouse
需
bodhicitta,
要很多的训练啊，
we need a
磨练
lot
自
of
己
practice.
训练自己就像
We
是
need to
特种
train
部队
ourselves like a special
也是
squad,
特种部队，
special squad.
要打的是不是
And what you wanna
不是一
fight
般的要打的是
Is
这个
not ordinary,
对着一个国家
ordinary, an ordinary
是对
country.
着这个宇宙打，
What you want to fight is the galaxy,
这个就不容易啊，
and that's not easy.
这个仗
This war
不好打，
is not easy to
所以
fight.
呢，必须关注大量的众生
And，because for
并且
bodhicitta,
呢
you need to watch all sentient beings,
设身
and
处地的为他人着想，
and you need to keep thinking for others. You need to put yourself in other people's shoes,
所以呢，
and that is
相对
very
来说呢
difficult.
认识空性
And
是
therefore, in
要
comparison
深入
to
地去
understand
了
emptiness,
解事物的真相，
to deeply understand the
所以古
truth
代大
of
师们说啊，
all phenomena,
了解空性是甚深大，
ancient masters say that
发菩提心是
understanding
广大道。
Understanding emptiness is a profound path, and to rouse bodhicitta is a vast path, and this is what it means.
Extensa. Y eso es lo que quiere decir.
好，
Okay,
再来就是回到这个经文了啊。
now
回到
let's
经
go
文
back to the
不
sutra.
要乱说话。
I shouldn't talk nonsense.
所以呢，整体的这个解释啊，了解这个空性的方式之后呢，
So
然后
now
呢
we've talked about how to
整体去
understand
解释的
emptiness,
了解空性的方式之
the
后
different
呢，
ways of understanding
接下来
emptiness.
就是第二个
Now
段
the
落
next
也
part,
就是从这个
that is
舍利
from
子到这个
Shariputra
无智无得亦无不得，
all the way till there is no ignorance,
Hasta donde
no exhaustion
这
of
个呢
emptiness,
就是解释
etc.
了我们要如何
All the way to
理
there's
解
no
空
pristine
性
wisdom. Over here, it
换句话来说
explains
啊
how to explain emptiness. In other
如何
words,
消除
how
我们的
to
错误认知
get rid
之
of
后呢
our
错误的认知之后呢，
wrong
接
understanding,
下来呢，我们要
then
做什么呢？
what do we have to
观
do?
就是接下来呢，观自在菩萨呢告诉我们
Avalokiteshvara
哪
tells
些
us
东西
what are the
是空性
things
的
are empty,
也就是说
that
我
is to
们
say,
会对哪些
what are the
东西
things that
产生错误的
we
认知。
have a kind of wrong understanding about,
palabras, ¿cuáles son las cosas?
尽管在
or
早
wrong
上呢，我们
perception.
嗯
In the
看到了
morning,
很多事情，
we've talked about
刚
many
刚我
things.
们讲了
Just
一堆
now, we've
东
talked
西
about
所以我们都
a
谈
lot of
到
things.
观
We've
自在
talked
菩
about
萨
how
以无蕴，也就是说
Avalokiteshvara
我
talked
们
about the
是
five
有
aggregates,
密切关系
which
的
are the most intimate with us, that is our body and our mind, these two things.
存在作为基础，
So these two things are the
来
foundation
告诉我们。
upon which Avalokiteshvara tells us that these are
但
empty.
是呢，我们所执着的
But
东
what we
西，
cling to,
其实有就是更多的分类。有
there are
很
many
多
different
不只
types.
是说这几个东西。
It is not just these few things.
所以呢，这心经里面
So in the
把
Heart Sutra,
这些东西
it-
归类为
it categorizes them into 6 types.
哪六种呢？
What are the 6
是无
types?
蕴
The 5,
12处
the 5 skandhas,
18界
the 12 senses, the 18 dhatus, the 12 links of interdependent origin,
修行
Four
功
Noble
德
Truths, and the merit of practice, etc.
而这6种呢，又可以分类为
And these 6 types
一般的
can be
基础
divided
和
into the
特别的
basic
基础
foundation and the special foundation.
Y estos se pueden dividir en la base especial
一般的基础指
For
的
the basic
一般
kind
的
of
基础呢，
or an ordinary
前
kind of
面三
foundation,
种
the first 3 types, that is the 5 aggregates,
18
the
是
12 sense bases, and the 18 dhatus, and the
四谛
that's the basic one. And the rest, the 12 links, the Four Noble Truths, and then the merits of practice, these are for the special.
y esos se vinculan
再来是经文里当
So
中说
in the sutra it says, Shariputra,
是故尔时空性之中无色
there are
无受
therefore
无想
in
无
emptiness
形
no forms, no
亦无
sensations, no perceptions, no formations, no consciousness,
无言
no eyes, no ears, no nose, no tongue, no body, no mind, no forms, no sound, no smells, no tastes, no touch, and no
界乃至无意识
dharmas. There is no dhatu of the eyes. Once somebody
天天
said
都在念经文
he always recites the Heart Sutra. Everyone recites the Heart Sutra.
我们汉地也是很多大乘
The Han Chinese, there are lots
乘的
who practice Mahayana,
Han
修行者
Mahayana practitioners.
以前呢
In the past,
西藏也是几乎所有的
Tibet,
这个
almost
僧众
all
啊
the
都会背心经
all of the monks and nuns,
西藏是常
they
的
all
心
know
经
how to
真的不
recite
容易背
the Heart Sutra.
背心经
That Heart Sutra is very long and it's very hard to memorize and recite it.
这个佛教传到西藏的时候
In the beginning, when Buddhism was spread to Tibet,
僧众们
the ordained monks and
这个
nuns,
午餐吃午餐呢
when they're eating lunch, when they're having their lunch, in order to purify,
这叫怎么是为了
how do you say it?
是精进性上呢？是为了那些，反正就是为了那些他们的这些功德主啊，他们那些
For their
会做
sponsors,
祈福啊
they will
为
make
他们
prayers
做业
and they will
过人
they will
花钱所
recite
以前
8,000 verses.
这个西藏人就是有一点
So Tibetans are a little,
怎么说
how do you say
不
it?
好说的，
That's not nice to say it.
有点拼命吧，应该是。
They
他们居然把中午
they really try very hard.
吃完这个午饭之后呢，就
It's
会
like after having their
为那
lunch,
些施主们
they
念
will
过人花
pray 8,000 verses for their
是
sponsors.
每天
And
念，
it's every day.
可能是好几个僧人啊，
It could
所以
be a
分开
number of
念
these ordained monks and nuns
后来
together.
呢，从印度啊，
Then, from India, came a great master.
他看到这个情
He saw the situation and he said,
这个好像太辛苦，
This is too much. This is very hard on you guys. And even the sutra itself has been passed around so much. Even the sutra would become dirty when you pass it around like that. And it is also very hard work for you guys. So it is best that you recite this Heart Sutra, which is the essence of the Prajnaparamita. You don't need to use the 8,000 verses.
其实我们以前的
So
藏
in
地
the past, in Tibet,
有这么一个习俗，就
there
是
is
说
this
啊，
custom,
就是所谓的这个10万颂。
the 10,000 verses, 25,000 verses, 10,000 verses. We have to memorize them all.
有这样的一个习
That's a custom.
好，别说了。
Okay.
所以呢，
Therefore,
哦，对对对，我
all
刚才
right.
说的是
Just now I was
我们大
saying.
家都在念这个什么无言无
So we're
无言
reciting
无
no
耳
ear,
无
no
意
eye,
的
no nose.
真的有一个人听啊，
Somebody was listening to
念
this,
啊，这就
and
干脆你
he
就说
says,
没有头
"Why don't you just say no head?"
啊。不然的话，你在那边，你比如说无言
So you've got to
无
say
耳
no eyes, no ears, no nose, no tongue.
就觉得
It's
好像
like-
就不用说那么辛苦。
You don't have
直接说没有
to
头就可以
go through so much trouble. Just say directly no head.
Simplemente dilo directamente, no cabeza.
好，
Okay.
无蕴啊。
So the
这
five
里面谈到的这
aggregates,
个无蕴
the
呢，
five
就是
aggregates.
无受那些
So,
无蕴就是我们早上
no
的
form,
刚刚
no
说到的
feeling.
这个无
In the
蕴啊
morning, we've talked about
是
it.
构成我们
It-
构成我们自身
it
存在
causes-
的5个关键或者5个因素
It。causes the
10 处
five
呢，
the 5 key reasons
6种经验
and the
和
6
6种外境。
there are the 6 external objects. As ordinary beings, through our eye consciousness, ear consciousness, nose consciousness, tongue consciousness, body consciousness, mental consciousness, to pursue all of the various sense objects. So the 6 consciousness and the 6 objects, it explains how our 5 aggregates, how our sense bases can't come into contact with the external environment and as a result cause clinging. So there is a differentiation between the material objects and our sense bases. So the material basis has been divided into the 6 external objects, and in the mind there are the 6 experiences. The 18 dhatus. The 18 dhatus are what we've talked about, the 6 experiences, the 6 objects, and the eyes, the ears, the nose, the tongue, the body, the mental consciousness, etc. These 6 kinds of senses, or these 6 sense bases. So, our mind, in experiencing the material world, is through these 6 sense organs. So, these 6 consciousness, 6 objects, and these 6 sense bases, there are the 18 dhatus.
Estos 6 objetos es las 6 bases y las 6 conciencias forman los 18 datos.
So we can see that the 5 aggregates and the 18 dhatus, it has talked about all of the things, all of the material things, and what's in our mind as well. It shows the different ways of differentiating and analyzing and categorizing them. Such complex content, the main reason is because of different types of wisdom, different levels of wisdom amongst sentient beings. And so there are differences in our ability to understand. For some people, when they hear the Buddha talk about the 5 aggregates, they're able to see the link between the mind and the material things. And they're also mind and the outer objects. They can see, they can experience it and understand it and recognize it. They're able to do so. But for some people, this is not enough. They still need further explanations to understand. That is why you need to be more detailed in order for them to understand. For example, over here, it analyzes the 18 dhatus. So there is a kind of comparison. So there is a kind of a more beginning or kind of understanding. So this is saying in Vasubandhu's verses on the treasury of Amitabha. So it is, why do we have to say so much? It is for different sentient beings with different levels of or different abilities to understand the relationship between material things and our mind, and to recognize and understand these things. So these are different ways to help them. In the front, there are the three categories: the
都是跟我们凡夫有密切
12
的
sense
关系。
bases, the 18 dhatus, 5 aggregates, etc. It is directly related to us ordinary beings. Whether or not we have been practicing, we tend to
对这些
have
事物会产生
clinging to these things.
所以呢，这些被归类在我们所执着的
So
一般基础
these are the basic kinds of things that we cling to.
一种事物。
So these are the things that are part of samsara.
接下来呢是
Next
讲的是应该是12因缘跟这个
It's the 12 links of interdependent origination.
特殊特别的基础。
These are the
特殊
special
基础
special kinds of
我
foundation.
觉得这个特殊基础
Special foundation. Maybe tomorrow we'll talk about it. Special foundation.
然后明天就是最后一堂
Tomorrow we'll have the last day of our lesson.
Será el último día de nuestras enseñanzas.
明天早上就是最后一堂，
Tomorrow morning
En la mañana
是最后一堂，
is our last lesson.
所以
tendremos nuestra última enseñanza.
下午没有啊？有吗？
Is there a lesson in the afternoon?
Hay última enseñanza en la tarde.
下午茶会不是开始。
It is not a teaching, it is a tea reception.
Es una recepción.
虽然我常常很多时候
So
听不到
many
我的
times
行程
I don't know about my own schedule.
是别人告诉我啊，别人一个
Other people will tell me.
外面的一个人说，
Somebody else will tell me, oh, tomorrow you're going that place.
好吧，
And I'd be like, oh, okay.
但是这件事情应该我还了解的很清楚。
But I think I should know this quite clearly.
谢谢。
Thank you. Please rise.